Day number 4, 15-day Decentraland challenge. And let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. It is February 10th. We are keeping track of our Decentraland, and I've got some news to share with you in terms of Decentraland right now. Check this out. The plot of digital, let me close this. The plot of digital land just sold for, look at this, 49,950 in Mana and Decentraland. This is how important Decentraland really is. And things are just really kind of getting heated up as we move towards the metaverse land. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, we've been buying everything through Coinbase.com. If you don't have a link or if you don't know about Coinbase, click on the link below. Go ahead and check it out. Now, I've been doing this. I've been converting my Ethereum for Decentraland because I had so much in there in terms of my Ethereum. Now, the price of Decentraland, I was waiting for a pullback, and it looks like we're getting a little bit of that as we speak. Just a little bit of that right here. So now I'm like, okay, let's go ahead and buy a little bit more. Now, if I convert all of my Ethereum over to Decentraland, I think it's like $200 left. So I'm going to go back here and I'm going to buy $200 just like that. So Decentraland, we're going to preview the order and we're going to put this right in the captain spreadsheet. And let me see. Well, I don't have enough in there. I don't have enough in there. Now, how much do we have in there? Let me go ahead and check it out. I thought I might have $200 in there. It looks like, let me look at assets. So, oh, okay, 197. Okay, so we have 197 in there. So we know I'll do this. I will do about $100 worth or maybe $150 worth because, yeah, I'm excited about this. So let me go and convert. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to do Decentraland, Ethereum. Let me go and get the Ethereum. 197. Let's go ahead and do 150. 150. 150. So we're getting it on the dip, as you call it, it's down 2%. Not a tremendous amount, but we're getting at a lower value. Let me go and put this in the captain spreadsheet. Thank you, Hector AB, for setting this up. His name is right over here. And let's go ahead and put this in here, 45.7. So thank you, Hector, for creating this captain spreadsheet. It looks phenomenal. And let me go ahead and pay for this as well before my time goes out, because it has a little clock or a timer on here, and it would pretty much fade out. So let me do this 150. Let me do this right now. Move this up. And I'm going to do 150 for now. And then I'll go back and determine the fees, if there's any fees when you're doing the convert. And buying the dip down 2%. And we'll put little notes in there. And so far we have 192.15. Our goal is to get about 1,000, and we are 807 behind at this particular time. And that's the goal. Our goal is to get 870. So if we got about 100 for the next 8 days, we'll get there. But I have a plan how we're gonna get there. Dollar cost average as well. Now look at this. We have 192, like we spoke. We spend 650, roughly, and that's including the fees. This is not bad, because what we're gonna do with this, we're going to stake this to earn more. So I do not plan to touch the Decentraland this year. I don't plan to. This is actually setting up for next year, guys. This is next year. The challenge for this month, February, it's literally for next February. It really is. So I'm just setting up a year in advance, and this is what this challenge is all about, just setting things up. And yes, day number 4 is in the books. We have this all set aside, 45.7. The price is still, to me, a good price. Do your research, obviously. Do that as we speak. And yes, day number 4 is in the book. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Decentraland is the plan for the month of February. I'll be back February 11th on a beautiful Friday. I can't wait. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And of course, I'll see you tomorrow.